Hello, boys and girls. My name is William Balentine the Ventriloquist. And once again, I'm here with Mr. Silly. Mr. Silly's been missing in action for a long time. What's been going on, Mr. Silly? What's been happening? I'm sick. You've been sick? Yeah, that's right. Well, what happened? Well, I went to the doctor. I had a cough. You had a cough? Yeah, bad cough. And what happened? What did the doctor say? Did he say you had the COVID? No, he didn't say I had COVID. But he said I had a bad cough. So what did he give you? He gave you a laxative. A laxative for a cough, Mr. Silly? Yeah, that's right. A laxative. A laxative for a cough? Well, how did that work for you? Is it working? Yeah, I think so. Because now I'm scared to cough.